Hi everyone, my name is Rafael, I'm from Lorena, Brazil, and this is Mini Numbers, my final project to CS50 Python. Mini Numbers is a tool to graphically display a bunch of numbers, giving them real meaning. This project brings together almost all the techniques learned throughout the course and applies new skills like matplotlib, MPL courses, and math library, for instance. Furthermore, it is a project that aims to engineer several systems that capture data and store it in a text file. So, this application proposes a simple way to deal with these values. The special outcome of this work, Allan Variance, is a measure of frequency stability in clocks, oscillators, and amplifiers. It is a relevant topic within the inertial sensors community. The method used to make the calculation can be found in the scientific paper from Matheus Carvalho and Rogério Caso. The program is made in Python with two classes modeling a text file and the Allan results as objects. It has 9 functions written in more than 400 lines of code and comments. The two main features of Mini Numbers are interacting and showing. The application wants to know how the user wants the chart to be created, so throughout execution some questions are asked to do so. The program requires these numbers within a text file, one below the other, one per line. The drawChart function can give us an idea of how the numbers relate to each other, placing them on the y-axis. The time in units chosen by the user is placed on the x-axis. The drawChart function is called again to show the numbers of moving average. The program offers the possibility of knowing which sample is that by clicking on it. To find exactly the part telling the program where the region we want to process begins and where it ends, two images of this part will be displayed, one with raw data and the other with numbers after implementing the moving average. The standard deviation function displays to us the result of standard deviation and variance of that part. The Allan variance will be obtained with the same region. The program will ask if you want these values to be converted into gravity by representing each number as if they were variations in the acceleration of gravity. We'll call the getAllan function for each time interval and print the result on the screen. Once again, the drawChart function will plot the points on a chart to be displayed to us. Pytest, the code written to test the main application, has 6 test functions to correctly assert full test execution. So this was my final project to CS50 Python, and thank you all for watching me.
This is my daddy.
This is the final project.
This is the final project. Obrigado, papai.
Nada.